In this video, I'll guide you through how to undo on Google Keep Notes, whether you've accidentally deleted some text, moved something you didn't mean to, or just changed your mind. Knowing how to quickly undo your last action can save you time and frustration. We'll go through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few simple tips to help you feel more confident editing your notes. First, open your web browser and go to keepgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use multiple Google accounts, so you're working with the right set of notes. Once the page loads, you'll see all of your existing notes laid out in a grid or list view, depending on your settings. Next, select the note you want to edit. Click directly on the note's body area to open it. When the note is open, you'll see the text, any checkboxes, images, or other content you've added. This is the space where you'll make your changes. Now go ahead and make any changes to the note. You might type new text, delete a sentence, check or uncheck list items, rearrange content, or modify anything else inside that note. Don't worry too much about making a mistake here, because that's exactly what the undo function is for. If you realize you've done something you didn't intend, look toward the top of the note. There, you'll find the undo button. It's represented by a curved arrow pointing to the left. Click that undo icon to revert your last action. Each time you click it, Google Keep will step back one action at a time. For example, if you typed a word and then deleted a sentence, clicking undo once will bring back the deleted sentence. Clicking it again will remove the last word you typed. This lets you carefully walk backward through what you've just done. Keep in mind that the undo feature is focused on recent actions. It's most helpful when you use it right after making a change, rather than waiting a long time or navigating away from the note. If you close the note or refresh the page, your ability to undo older actions may be more limited. There's also a faster way to undo, especially if you prefer using your keyboard. Instead of clicking the button, you can use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and Z together. On a Mac, press Command and Z together. These shortcuts work much like they do in other apps and are often quicker than moving your mouse to the undo icon. You can tap the shortcut multiple times in a row to keep stepping back through several recent changes, just like you can with repeated clicks on the undo button. If you go too far and undo more than you meant to, you can usually use the redo option to move forward again, so don't be afraid to use undo when you need it. That's all there is to it. Open keepgoogle.com, choose your note, make your edits, and use either the undo button or the keyboard shortcut to reverse your last actions. With these simple steps, you can experiment more freely in your notes, knowing you can always back up if something doesn't look right.